Hey guys, hi, Polumi here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today is the day 4 of the Winter Wonderland series that I have been doing on my channel. So if you want to check out those videos, do click on the I button over here and you will definitely get a drop down box, and from there you can definitely check out all the 3 videos which I have done in the past few days. And now talking about today's video, today I have tried to be on the simpler side where I have played with the color blue and I have made it quite glam, putting on those glitters, but I have kept it on the simpler side. So this is how my look turned out to be today. And if you want to know how I achieved this particular eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup, and I've also prepped and primed my eyelid. And to prep and prime my eyelid, I have used my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So I always use this one over here to prep and prime my eyelid to cancel out all the discoloration that might be going on over my eyelid. So now I'll quickly go ahead and start on with my eyeshadow palette. So today I'm going to introduce someone totally new to our clan. So I ordered this one from Beauty Bay Cosmetics and it reached me all the way from Sweden. I'm so excited to try this for the first time. I know I might be late in the game, but just look at the colors. Oh my god, they look so pretty and so amazing. So basically my sister gifted it to me for the Durga Puja. I'm so excited. The colors, I always wanted this palette. Like, trust me, I always wanted this palette. So yeah, I'm just going to start off with this particular color over here, which is known as the D. The color is so pigmented and it blends like butter. So now as you can see that I'm done with that shade called The Deep, which was basically this one. So I'm just going to go towards a lighter blue shade, which is going to be this one. It is known as Lagoon. So I'm just going to be taking this beautiful shade over here and I'm just going to start to blend that blue shade with this particular shade. So I'm just taking the tiniest amount of shade that I can and I'm just, blending it very slightly, just diffusing the outer corner with this tiny brush, as you can see already. So now when I am done with that shade Lagoon and I'm just done blending that dark blue shade, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go towards my Blue Moon palette by ColourPuff Cosmetics and taking this very beautiful palette over here. I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here called Moonlight. So I'm just going to take it onto like a fluffy blending brush. This is like very fluffy brush, as you can already tell. So I'm just going to take this brush and rest of the excess and I'm just going to give that crease area that final blend. So I'm just using this brush basically to diffuse everything into my brows and to give it that nice and diffused and blended effect and look. I am just using the tiniest amount of eyeshadow or the pigment, whatever you call. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with that blending. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a concealer and I'm just going to clean up this particular area over my lid space so that I get a clean crease. So as you can see that I've already done like a half cut crease. I haven't gone like far as I generally prefer doing, like my style. So yeah, I'm just going to take my concealer and take it onto my concealer brush and I'm just going to start cutting my crease with the concealer. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with the cut crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my ColourPuff Cosmetics glitter palette, which is basically this one over here, and from this beautiful palette over here I'm just going to use this particular shade over here. This is basically known as a Booked and Busy, as you can see. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to use this particular shade over here and I'm just going to put it onto like this area of my eyes. I'm just not going to fill my entire lid space, but I'm just going to put it onto like the area where I have just cut my crease, like that little area over there. So yeah, I'm just going to do that with this particular sparkly silvery shade. What I'm doing right now is I'm gently pressing that pressed glitter. I'm not dragging it or moving it. I'm very gently pressing it. So now at this point, when I'm done with that glitter, so I'm going to go towards my Scuba Beauty UV Taffy's palette, which is basically this one. And from this beautiful palette over here, I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here called Mini Monster, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this beautiful shade and I am just going to, draw like a nice winged liner onto my lashes, like my lash line. So now at this point, as you can see that I'm totally done with that liner, that blue liner. So I'm just going to, amp it up with some eyeliner, like the NYX Epic Ink liner, which is basically this one over here. So I'm just going to be using this particular liner over here, and I'm just going to draw some graphic liner and, amp up my look a little bit more. So now as you can see that I'm totally done. So now I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and some mascara, and I will be right back. So now as you can see that I'm back after putting on my falsies and some mascara and completing the other eye. So this is how my makeup turned out to be. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.